All right, everyone, how are you doing? Everyone's good? That's good. Today, what I'd like to do is just change this side marker, and I'm hoping that I can show you how to do it in less than a minute. All right, so if you want to remove it, just push towards yourself, pull out. Okay, so I said push to yourself. That's incorrect. What you're going to want to do is slide it to the right if you can, and then pull towards yourself. That'd be the correct order. Then these two pins here, you just pinch, hit, and pull out. Hold on, will I be able to? Let's see. All right, so you push this spot here and you pull out, and then your side marker gets put. Then if you're looking for the replacement part, that's it right there. Let's open it up. Then the new side marker, you just repeat. Try to do this with one hand again. You hear a click, and then it's pushed back, and then it'll move forward on its own. And let's just test it out to make sure it works. There we go. We got all our side markers installed, and that's it. All right, guys, well, catch you on the next one.